What's going on, guys? I'm going to show you guys how to make a voiceover like audio for your Instagram Reels, like the Siri type voice. I'm going to show you how to do it in like less than 3 minutes. So unfortunately, there's no option on Instagram under Reels in order to create that type of thing. So what you're going to need to do is use TikTok. Now, I personally don't use TikTok. You don't have to use TikTok, but you do need to download, if you don't have it, download the app and create an account in order to do this. So this is how you do it, step by step. First, you need to click the plus button down here to add. And then what you need to do is upload what you need, the video that you need on there. So I'm going to do one that I'm going to create today, or that I created today. I'm going to put some pictures in. I'm going to put this picture of me with the guitar and then this picture of Mark Tremonti. And I'm going to add them in. You can see they're added in here.
Nowadays they just talk, but they talk about nothing. Nowadays everybody want to say something.
I'm going to go to volume and turn that added sound all the way down. So I don't want that audio on there. The next step that I'm going to do, that you need to do, is click on text. And I'm going to put the words that I want the Siri voice to say. I'm curious, who is your doppelganger? And then what I'm going to do is hit done. I'm going to click on that, on those words, and I'm going to do text to speech.
I'm curious, who is your doppelganger?
It says doppelganger. She doesn't say it very well, but you can use any type of these voices here. I use Jesse to get this
I'm
sound.
curious, who is your doppelganger?
Done. I'm going to come back here, and personally, I want it to say the exact word, so I'm going to change it to doppel.
I'm curious, who is your doppelganger?
Her, and I'm going to hit done, and you'll hear it.
I'm curious, who is your doppelganger?
Oh, that doesn't sound good, so I'm going to do doppelganger.
I'm curious, who is your doppelganger?
Oh my gosh. Okay, let me fix that.
I'm curious, who is your doppelganger?
Okay, so that sounds good to me. I'm going to make it really small. You can make it almost disappear, like not visible.
I'm curious, who is your doppelganger?
Okay, so that's what I want. Next thing you're going to do to record this to your phone is you're going to hit next. And then what you need to do is click on where it says select cover up here at the top. Click on it.
I'm curious, who is your doppelganger?
Right corner, you're going to click on that to get rid of all the features on there. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to, I'm using the iPhone.
I'm curious, who is your doppelganger?
This video. And I can't screen record it right now because I'm recording this video with screen record. But what you do is you use your quick access.
I'm curious, who is your doppelganger?
You just record the video, clip it to get the part that you want, and then it is ready to upload directly to Reels.
I'm curious, who is your doppelganger?
I'm going to exit out of here. Then you would come over to Instagram Reels. I'll make sure I'm doing a reel. I'm going to click up here. I'm going to hit Reel. And then I would click down here into my videos. I have it saved right here. I pre-recorded
I'm curious, who is your doppelganger?
I would then click that on. I would hit
I'm
preview.
Curious, who is your doppelganger?
And personally what I did is I then typed the same thing. I'm curious, who is your doppelganger? And then what I did is I put it over the one I created on TikTok like this.
I'm curious, who is your doppelganger?
And the next step is I go to post it like that. And then what I did is I just renamed the audio to doppelganger, and then I uploaded the video and it was done. So